Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome back to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the solenoid in a Sloan Optima, Solis, or Ecos flushometer. This applies to both urinals and water closets, as the models are nearly identical except for the spud diameter and size. To begin, you'll need a solenoid, a 7/64" hex wrench, a flat blade screwdriver, and a smooth jaw wrench. Flushometers or flush valves are just automatically timed self-closing valves. At rest, water is at equal pressure in the upper and lower chambers. This keeps the flexible rubber diaphragm closed tightly on the valve seat. When the sensor is triggered, the solenoid opens and releases water from the upper chamber, which decreases the pressure. High-pressure water from the inlet now lifts the diaphragm up and travels down the flush pipe. During the flush, some of the water is forced back into the upper chamber through a small bypass hole in the diaphragm. The flush continues until the pressure equalizes and pushes the diaphragm down onto the valve seat. If the solenoid is stuck open, it can cause continuous flushing, as water will continue to flow out of the flex tube and will prevent the upper chamber from pressurizing. Alternatively, if the solenoid fails to open, it can prevent the unit from flushing at all. First, shut off the water to the flushometer. Remove the cap and use a flat blade screwdriver to turn the screw clockwise until the control stop closes. Next, hold down the button to remove any remaining water. Use the 7/64" hex wrench to unscrew and remove the cap. Next, remove the sensor module. Unscrew and remove the solenoid. Now check inside the housing and remove the cap or any O-rings that might be stuck inside. Screw the new solenoid into the housing and hand tighten, but don't use any tools and be careful not to over-tighten. Now plug in the solenoid. Replace the cover and tighten the cover screws. Turn on the water by opening the control stop. Now test the flushometer and adjust the control stop until you get a normal flush with a quiet operation. And finally, replace the cap. If you like this video, leave a comment below. To keep up to date with Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.